Here we are at the Waldorf Orlando, and this is a newly refurbished deluxe room. And let's just start with the bedroom. Nice big TV, dresser, a table with two chairs. This is an improvement. They used to have like a desk up against the wall, and I like this better. This is the two bed version. They also have a version that just has a king bed. It's very beige in the hotel since they renovated. Now, the rooms didn't have a lot of color in them to begin with, um, but I think they're a little bit drab. But they're still very nice. I mean, it's a really nice room. I just wish they put a little bit more color. I do appreciate this blue chair. Now, this room is a Gulf view, and it's night now, so I can't really show you the view at night. It's kind of more of an interstate view, but I will insert some footage of what it looks like in the daytime. So we have a floor lamp. Beds have these integrated reading lights that everybody likes to do now. We had a hard time finding the light switches here. So this is where the switches are for these lights. And then you have some USB plugs here. Their drawer. Dwarf pen and paper. Over here we have a closet. The light comes on when you open the door. Extra towels, the hair dryer, iron and ironing board, two robes. They're really nice and soft. Hangers, and down here there's a golf umbrella that you can use. And across from the closet, we have your mini bar and drink station. So here I have a Nespresso machine and a kettle, ice bucket, some Waldorf, I don't know, yeah, Waldorf Orlando coasters. Now, stuff in this drawer you can use for free. It's not part of the mini bar. They give you these two bottles of plain water, and then you have Nespresso pods and creamer and some tea, English breakfast, and chamomile, and all your sugar, espresso cups, glasses. And then under here is the fridge with part of the mini bar. So this right side of the fridge is empty for you to use. And I really appreciate that because it's nice to be able to have a little bit of a fridge. But this side is the mini bar, and it's the electronic kind. So don't touch anything or it'll charge you. But if you do mess with something and put it back, just go tell the front desk and they'll take care of it. And then the rest of the mini bar is in this cabinet up top. We've got some glasses and the nuts and chips and alcohol. And here we have the price list for the mini bar. Like, so that little teeny tiny bag of chips is $10. The pretzel nuggets are $15. Wow. And then the alcohol. Yeah, wow. And here's where the light switch for the mini bar is. Like, have you ever seen such a teeny tiny light switch? And here's the bathroom. And I love the bathrooms at this hotel. This nice separate tub. I really like the bathroom part where they use here. It's very much my style. And look, some color. And here's the sink and vanity. Oh, you get this nice plush bath mat. You got your magnifying mirror, some toiletries. Oh, let me turn on the other light because the fan comes on, so I didn't have it on. But it seems like there should be a light over the toilet. It's just a little dark there, but there is a light over the shower. It's a really nice shower with 2 shower heads. Just really like the bathrooms here. And look at this little detail on the door. It's so nice. I love the doors in this hotel. It's just little things like that. The doors just feel nice and heavy and substantial. And that's what makes it feel like it's a real luxury hotel. So if you're a Hilton Gold or Diamond member and you stay at a Waldorf or a Conrad in the US, you get a $50 per night food credit for a couple that you can use at any of the restaurants at the resort. Now, if you're at an international Hilton, they just give you a free breakfast, but they don't do that in the US anymore, so now you get the credit. But that means that you can use it for dinner. And so you can use your credit at the Bull and Bear, which we've done several times. And you can also use it for breakfast in the morning at their restaurant called Oscar's. And they have probably the best breakfast buffet I have ever had. It's $40. I know it's a little pricey, but they really have everything. So they have all of your normal breakfast things, bacon and sausage, biscuits and gravy. They have an omelet station where you can get made to order omelets, pancakes, waffles, cheeses. They make all of their pastries in-house. The pastries are amazing, and it's an excellent buffet. I highly recommend it. Now, as for the refurb, this Waldorf is still a beautiful hotel, but I think that it was more beautiful before. So look, this is what the lobby looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. And I just loved it. I think that was the most beautiful lobby that I've ever seen, the way it was before. And they took all the color out of it, and they redid Peacock Alley and took all the color out of it. See, this is what it used to look like, you know, like a peacock. And this is what it looks like now, like a peahen. So they really went in a different direction with the refurb. And I love color, so I don't really understand all these hotels becoming obsessed with grayish. I just think it's just really boring and bland, and it makes all hotels look the same. So while the rooms didn't really change that much, and they're still very nice, and while the room refurbishment isn't much different from how it used to look, the common areas I really feel do not look as luxurious as they did before. But this is the way that hotel design is right now. And in 10 years, they'll tear everything out and do it again. I just hope they use a little bit more color next time. But the Waldorf Orlando is still a beautiful hotel, and the food is excellent. The service is excellent. Everybody there is super nice and super helpful, and it has a great location, and I highly recommend this resort. So if you enjoyed this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel and history videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!